I'll show you the quick and easy way how you can earn up to $5,000 with the Temu affiliate program. Now, of course, you should know what the Temu affiliate program is. It's a program where you can sort of be the advertiser for Temu, right? Basically, you'll be a user, you'll sign up, you'll be a seller. Well, you're not technically a seller as well, but basically you'll get a custom link. And if a customer click on your custom link and they buy something from your custom link, you'll get a small kickback or commission from it. Now, you can see the kickback is probably only about 5 to 20%, right? But this is something that you're not doing actively, it's passively, right? So if, for example, if you're a content creator, you put this link on your store description and some of your audience might be happen to click on it and then they buy something from that commission link, you'll get a kickback from it passively, right? Now you can see how fast it could add up, right? Now you can see, and especially with Temu, you'll get a lot of free rewards with it as well. Now you can see I'm gonna show something on the screen right now that shows some of the highest earning user with the Temu affiliate program, and you can see how fast it can add up. Now, if you want more tips and tricks on how you can get up to $5,000 with this program, you do need to have a large following, right? If you have a large following on social media, naturally, it'll be much easier to get up to $5,000 per month with the Temu affiliate program because you have an audience to advertise to and you have something that you can give the link onto and they can buy and you could get the kickback/commission from it. So, if you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.